Hello everyone. In this video, I'm giving you an honest review of the Gemini credit card, a card that's been gaining attention because it combines traditional rewards with crypto. Let's break it down in a simple way so you can decide if it's worth it. First, let's talk about the basics. The Gemini credit card is issued in partnership with WebBank and is designed to let you earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. Instead of getting cash back or airline miles, your rewards go directly into your Gemini exchange account as crypto. You can choose from over 60 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. The standout feature is the reward structure. You earn 3% back in crypto on dining, 2% back on groceries, and 1% back on everything else. What's nice is that rewards are deposited instantly, unlike some cards that make you wait a billing cycle. Now, onto fees and requirements. The Gemini credit card has no annual fee, which makes it accessible for beginners. However, it does have a variable APR, which can be pretty high depending on your credit. So if you carry a balance, the interest could easily eat into any rewards you earn. It's best suited for people who pay their statement in full every month. There are no foreign transaction fees either, so it's travel-friendly. But keep in mind, crypto rewards fluctuate with the market. Your $10 reward today could be worth $8 or $15 tomorrow. That volatility is part of the appeal, but also part of the risk. Let's look at the pros. You're diversifying into crypto just by using your card on everyday purchases. The instant reward feature is very unique and gives you that immediate satisfaction. No annual fee makes it easier to justify keeping in your wallet, and the app integration with Gemini is seamless, allowing you to track rewards and even trade them right away if you want. But of course, there are some cons. Unlike traditional cash back, your rewards value isn't guaranteed because crypto prices swing. If the market dips, your rewards lose value. Another downside is that the 3% dining category has a cap. You only get that rate on up to $6,000 of spending per year, after which it drops to 1%. Also, you're tied to using Gemini as your exchange, so if you prefer another platform, that's a limitation. And compared to pure cash back cards, the earning rate outside dining and groceries is pretty average. So, who is this card for? If you're already into crypto or curious about starting without directly buying it, this card is a solid way to dip your toes in. It rewards you for what you're already spending and helps build a crypto portfolio passively. But if you prefer stable, predictable cashback, or if you're risk-averse when it comes to your rewards, then you might be happier with a traditional cashback or travel card. In conclusion, the Gemini credit card is innovative, fun, and rewarding if you believe in the future of crypto. But it comes with risks tied to volatility, and it works best for disciplined spenders who don't carry balances. That's my honest review of the Gemini credit card. Subscribe the channel for more videos.